everybody. I know I'm always coming back for too long. I know I take so long. Sorry guys, my apologies. But today I'm going to prepare a how do you say it in English? It's toasted noodles, let me put it that way. But it's not just any noodle. I'm going to show you step by step how I do this. We are accustomed to make this in our country back home, actually from my great grandmother. This is garlic, and I have some shortening, vegetable shortening here, melting down, and of course in medium-low heat. And I'm gonna sprinkle some cumin in there. Okay, just a pinch of cumin. And for color, I usually have prepared already a natto seed oil, but I ran out. So I'm going to take the same spoon I used to take out my vegetable shortening. I'm just going to put a pinch of turmeric. Okay, just for the touch of the color. I'm going to mix that up so the garlic stir fries nice. I'm going to roughly chop some leftover pieces of onion that I had on the side. So I'm just going to roughly chop them into big chunks and let it stir fry with the garlic. Sometimes when I do pickled onions, I leave the ends. And these are the ends that I left on the side. I don't throw them. I also have a pan warming up as well. It's heating up so I can throw the noodles. I will show you in a minute how they look like. I have here a pan with oil heating up, and here I will be toasting the noodles. These are the noodles I'm going to use. They are those shapes, okay? I'm going to toast them. And for the broth, if you have some vegetable broth, you will need vegetable broth. Whichever broth you have, it will be great to give the soup flavor. Now these are tiny. I usually buy the bigger kinds. I'm going to pour the noodles here, and I'm going to be toasting it. Okay, until it's nice and golden. Just until it's nice and golden. So I'm going to stir it so all the oil incorporates with those noodles. Now it doesn't have to be this type of noodles, but this is the type that my grandma and my great grandma used. In our country, the color of these ones are always like white, kind of whitish. Here you can't find those type of noodles. Just these kind of yellow ones. So once everything looks shiny, I'll just leave it there to heat up and toast. So we're gonna toast this up until it's nice and golden. Usually I leave it until it's nice. It looks like it's burning or something, but no, it's not burning. It's getting very dark and golden. Why it looks dark? Because of the color of these noodles is already yellow, so that's the reason why it almost looks like it's burning, but it's not. So that we're gonna leave there since it's on low heat. Okay, so this looks nice and caramelized, and the onions look nice and golden. Now you're gonna add your broth. I'm just adding water. So this one is 2 cups. It's a very simple recipe, very easy. So that's 4 cups, and we're gonna peel potatoes, have it ready, chopped, and we're gonna add potatoes in there. Depending on how many people you need to serve, because I serve for 6, you can use a bowl, the bowl that you serve to measure the water. And always remember, minus 1 bowl, because of the potatoes, it will, create more. Now we're going to add some salt to taste. Okay, so you can see it's already toasting, and just don't forget to stir it often. That way everything gets toasted evenly. Now I'm going to put the potatoes. Okay, so we're gonna add our potatoes. I already chopped them up. I think it's about 4 of them. I'm gonna wait until this boils and then lower the heat down to medium so it cooks slowly. And I'm gonna grab some cilantro. Okay, so I have some cilantro here chopped up, and I also grabbed some basil. I love basil, guys. I don't know about you. I can't live without basil. The fresh basil gives it this beautiful taste. Whatever soup you make or whatever food that you make, oh my goodness, I love it and I love it and I adore it. I mean, it's to die for. For me, I love it. This is not boiling yet, but once it boils, we're gonna wait until the potatoes are nicely cooked. Okay, so I'll be back once the potatoes are cooked. Alright, so this looks nice and brown. Now I'm gonna turn off the stove and just leave it there because there's some that are very light still. Once the water boils, I'm going to throw this in there. Alright, so the water is boiling. Now I'm going to grab my noodles that I toasted. It's going to go in there. Now I believe I'm going to need more water. So I actually have about 5 to 6 cups of water in here already. I'm just going to add a bit more because let's not forget the noodles will grow a little bit. So that should be enough. And now I'm going to raise the heat so it goes back to boiling. I should have used hot water. Don't do like I do. Boil some water to, you know, to not delay the process. So that is it, my friends. That's going to boil up and cook. Once it's fully cooked, then time to serve, right? So I'll be back once the potatoes are cooked. Well, you can see it's boiling and boiling hard. And almost ready, my delicious soup. So I'll be back once it's fully cooked. Alright, so this is ready, guys. Look how I was saying that the noodles will double up. And see, you can see it. It's not too much broth anymore. It's just perfect. Alright, we're going to taste if the salt is fine. Yes, it's perfecto. Okay. Now, we're going to turn this off and serve. Alright, my friends, so here's the result, and I hope you try it out. It is really tasty. Just use a nice good brand of vegetable broth, or if you make it yourself, even better. So my friends, as simple as that, very easy, very quick, this nice delicious soup, and very hearty as well. And if you want to add more veggies, you can add cabbage. I've added, in my past, I've added cabbage as well, or spinach, or kale. It's your choice. You are the boss of your own kitchen, so you can do and play around with the ingredients. Do as you like. Alright, my friends, thank you all for watching, and thank you for your patience, and thank you for your support. Subscribe if you're new, share the video, and hope to see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching. Bye.